So today we're going to learn how to make a worry doll. As you can see, here are some examples. So you're going to have a pipe cleaner, some yarn with a toothpick, and a bead. We're going to start by making the hair. So take your yarn and we're going to pick one color that represents the hair. I think I'm going to use red. Take your hand like this and you wrap that yarn around until it's done to make a little bundle when you pull it off. Put that to the side. Then we take our pipe cleaner and fold it in half, as you see here. We're going to open up the pipe cleaner a little bit, grab the hair, and put it into the center of the fold. Pull the hair upward, grab the pipe cleaner, and twist to secure the hair in. Next, we're going to take our bead. Put the bead in both of the ends and push up to make the head. Now we're going to make the body. Take both sides of the pipe cleaner and pull them out to the sides. For the arms, you're going to fold in at however long you want the arms to be for both sides, like so. Then when the two meet in the center, we're going to take the ends and pull down so you can see the arms are made like this and the torso is down. You may want to twist these two to secure the arms in, and then you're going to want to twist the arms to make them more secure as well. Now for the legs. We're going to do the same thing as we did with the arms and fold the ends of the pipe cleaner into the center, twisting once more to secure the legs. So now that we have the body made, it's time to add our little worry doll's clothes. You're going to pick another one of your pieces of yarn and you're going to hold it down and wrap it. As you wrap, you're going to start making the shirt, and you can make it whatever way you want to. For time purposes, I'm not going to finish this, but as you can see, it will turn out to be something like this. So then once you get to the end of your yarn, you have a few different options for securing it. You could use your toothpick, take the edge like so, and tuck it into the other pieces, like that. That can be kind of hard. So you could also decide to tie it into a little knot on the end and pull. And there it's secure like that. Or you can take some glue, dab it on, and secure it that way. You might want to hold while the glue dries. So you're going to take your last piece of yarn and do the exact same thing around the legs, as you can see in these two examples here, and secure it in the same way. And there we have it. That is how you make a worry doll. You can cut the hair to make it look more like this. You can keep it, draw on a face if you want to. It's really up to you. And that's it. Thanks.